So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Bhutan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened Department of Immigration Royal Government of Bhutan website. Okay, so from here you can apply for your e-visa. The application process is given here on the same page. So you can create an account, put the information about your application, pay the fee, and upload documents, then submit the application, and if granted, you are all good to go. Another thing I would say, go to FAQ also, because this itself will give you clearly a lot of information. Okay, what is SDF? Okay, and all such questions that you have. Okay, so you can apply it independently, or you can also apply through one of the tour operators if you want. Fine. So let's go to the home page and we are going to walk through the process. If you come for the first time, we're going to sign up, right? So put name, email and password and click on sign up. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, after you enter your credentials in the previous screen that I had shown you, I mean you put your email address, name and password. System does send an email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you can log in and you come to this page. Here you have all the available options for you. That's what you really want to. Okay. So when you apply for tourist visa permit, you can visit to maximum 90 days. Okay. So what are the things you need? Passport. For Indians, they have voter ID, birth certificate for people under for nationals of 18 under for nationals of India under 18 years of age. So minors from India can go with birth certificates too. Indians can go with voter ID too, and passport is for all nationality. Whoever wants can use. Passport requirement and all things have been given here. Okay. So once you are ready with this, click here. First add individual. Okay. So first step, upload your ID document, then personal information, attachments, declaration and submission. So let's see what are things. So other than Indian, passport is required. Indian nationals can go on voter ID card, and those below 18 can go with uh, birth certificate too. So whatever is the nationality, you select based on. So I just select passport. So you need to upload your passport. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, once you are through that passport upload page, the system brings you here after your passport is uploaded, and it does read data from the passport you upload. I have made some modification. Okay, so it picks up your name, surname, date of birth, but yeah, you can change it. Passport number, passport type, issue date, expiry date, current nationality, country of birth. I mean, this is sample data, but you do it as per your own case. Country of residence, occupation, vertical. So, okay, whatever is there, you do as per your case. Go to next. Now attachments. What are the things they have asked? They have asked for passport size photo. Okay, and then in next, you're gonna do the declaration, submission, and payment. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but this is how it works, guys. And if it's granted, you are all good to go. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.